Hi, my name is Axel and I'm the director of Gift of Dyslexia, where learning is made easy. I wanted to tell you about a free online presentation I am giving on the 16th of December. What I will be covering in the lecture is essentially how to ensure that your child learns to read. I will also be covering dyslexia, how dyslexia develops, why it develops, and what you can do to help your child if you got a dyslexic child, or an adult in fact. It's called What is the Gift of Dyslexia workshop, and I will be covering the content of the Gift of Dyslexia workshop. Following the lecture, you can sign up to the workshop, which gives you the nitty-gritty of how to ensure your child learns to read in an effortless and fun way. I will be starting on January the 18th and running for 10 weeks every Thursday morning with a 50% discount for homeschoolers. We will also be running the same workshop as an intensive online workshop in March, starting on the 4th until the 8th of March this year.